Hello good people, kwa vipi bana? Hope mko salama kabisa kabisa. It's your boy Oscar, representing team Peniel Global FX, your mentor, your daily forex coach, your investment coach too. And as I help you grow your portfolio in this forex markets, and also give you the best of what I know, actually for free, of which I paid a lot of money to learn this particular skill, of which each and every single day I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful because He actually saw me, that perfect guy, or that imperfect guy, not the perfect guy, the imperfect guy, to give this particular skill and also impact the people around him by this particular skill, of which it is changing so many people's life, mine included. And I'm so happy to always share this particular content, share what I know, because I know there is no perfect forex trader, but there is always a teachable trader, and a trader who always want to learn new things each and every single day. So if you've been in this game or in this particular market for, let's say, 30 years, it doesn't matter. But what only matters is, are you able to be teachable, or are you able to learn a new thing each and every day? Are you able to stop speculating or avoid speculations? Are you able to uh, be patient? Are you able to have what you call money management skill? Do you have money management skill? Do you have the patient kind of skill? Actually, patient is a skill of which every single forex trader need to have, whereby 98% or 99% of forex traders fail each and every single day in this market because of the lack of patience and the lack of emotional control. Actually, when you come into this market with emotions, my friend, the market will blow you off. If you want to make quick money out of this market, the market won't give you that. But if you are patient enough, and actually patient is the skill and the key to succeeding in this particular market. Every billionaire has lost a billion for him to become a billionaire. Every millionaire has lost some millions for him to become a millionaire. And someone who's just starting in forex will have to lose also some little bit of some cash. Actually, I blew up some several accounts before even I learned this particular skill, and also became serious, because I knew it is a business to me, and it is also a skill to me, that once I learn this particular skill, I will not be sitting in people's offices, I will not be going out here asking for jobs, but once I get enough cash for me to up my portfolio, I can be making any amount that I need every single day. So sorry for actually giving you all that details and history, because I'm actually passionate about young people out here who are actually looking to do something into their life, become successful in this particular generation where everybody is chasing money. In forex, you don't chase the bag, you chase the growth. Once you learn how to grow, you'll actually be a successful forex trader each and every single day. uh, Einstein actually used to say that compound interest is the eighth wonders of the world. So once you learn on a skill on how to compound your money each and every single day, each and every single day, growing your portfolio each and every single day. If you lose, yes, you lose, but you don't lose so much that will keep you out of this market. Once you actually get out of this market and come, maybe let's say like 2 years, you get, the market has condition whereby it's evolved each and every single day. But for us forex trader, what we do, we look at the previous action before we even make a decision on how to enter this particular market. So what am I saying? I'm saying you need to be disciplined for you to succeed in this forex market. You need to have good patience, okay, for you to succeed in this forex market. And also you need to learn this skill either by a mentorship. Follow what your mentor is telling you, okay. Do not look for quick money. There's no quick money here. Just have to learn the skill and give it time for you to grow. So today I want to talk about what I was uh, really thinking and pondering within myself, that today I need to share with my audience on what you call about what you call channels. What are channels? Actually, channels are like pipes or a corridor, okay? A corridor between two buildings, okay? Whereby you will go through that particular corridor until you have an outlet or an end to that particular corridor. Also in the market, in the forex market, you have what we call channels. And channels in the forex market actually act like what I've just said, corridors or pipes, okay? Pipes will allow the water to flow through, and also the pipes in this particular market will allow price to flow through. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. That's what I mean. So as always, as I've always told you guys, for you to make or for you to see the bigger picture into this particular market, you have to do what we call top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is whereby you go to the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. You start with the higher time frame. For me, my higher time frame, because uh, I'm a daily forex trader. I go to the daily chart, okay, or a day trader. I go to my daily charts and I see what the market has been doing throughout the day, okay, throughout the day, what the market has been doing. So, for you to draw a successful channel again, you need to go to what is called the line charts. Why am I always insisting about line charts? Because the line charts will give you exact points or exact positions or exact levels in which the market stand. If you're drawing your support and resistance, use the line chart. If you're drawing your trend lines, use the line chart. If you're drawing your channels, use the line chart. If you're drawing your what we call supply and demand zone, use your line chart. Okay, use your line chart. So right here we want to draw a channel, and a channel is actually two parallel levels. I won't call them lines because lines are not here actually. Call them levels. Are two parallel levels in the market drawn perpendicularly to one another. That our yes, to one another. So we take this particular channel, trend line. We identify two positions. Okay. Right now I can say we are in a downtrend on URUSD. Okay, it's a good point. Let me just try well. Let me mention it well. Right there, you can see it touched here, touched here, touched here, touched there. That's a good level of trend whereby the market is trending to the downside. That is one level, this particular channel. Okay, for you to draw another line, we have said a channel is a combination of two parallel levels in the market. Okay, I won't call them lines, but I call them levels going perpendicularly to one another. Okay, so that's our first one. We now want to take another one. Another one, we'll draw it from the lower lows. The first one we've drawn them from the higher lows, which are this one. This is the highest. The higher, this one is high but it's lower than this, so we call it a higher low. This one is high but it's lower than this, so we call it a higher low. Again, we take that particular level and do it from the lower lows. This one is low but it's lower than this, so we call it a lower low. This one is lower than this, so we call it lower low. Check our particular line or level and take right there. So right there. Let me take this one to right there. Isn't this a good channel? Oh my goodness, how did I draw that? Very easy, right? That's a now this is what you call a channel. A channel is a parallel level in the market or a corridor in the market. Let's say we are having two buildings. This is one building, okay, this is another building, okay, then you're having the corridor. This is the corridor where you'll have to move through the corridor until you find a place where you can exit from, okay. That's what you call a channel into the market. Now daily we have seen on URUSD the market is going down in a downtrend and also in a down channel. What a coincidence, and what a way to start off this particular lesson. So that is a good channel that you have seen right there on our daily chart. Going to the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart, we can see the same thing, okay. Though here we are seeing that we can see the same thing happening, okay. It is a channel whereby the market is following that particular channel to the downside, okay. That is a good channel. I can say that is a good channel. That is a channel, okay, on our daily, but we still have some other channels on our 4-hour candle. On our 4-hour time frame, okay. I can still see some channels also on our 4-hour daily. Previously, I can say there was a channel somewhere here. There was another channel somewhere here, having another channel, of which right now we won't speak about that, but I have shown you how to draw good channel. That's our daily. I've seen a very nice channel, very nice channel, very nice channel, a very nice channel right there. So that is a channel, okay. I've just shown you, sorry, I don't know what I've eaten, man. Shrubing everywhere, shrubing. Una shiraabingi. Ni mambo ya kushiraabengi bana. Una shiraabengi. Okay, let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF. On USD CHF, we want to see another channel, okay. How do you draw a channel right here? By spotting two good positions in that particular market, right? Spotting two good positions in that particular market, that particular market, that particular market, okay, that particular market, that particular market. Okay, I want to draw a channel here. I think this one will be a little bit awkward, but it's a good channel too. It's a good channel too. It's a very nice channel. Okay, it's a very nice channel. It's a very nice channel. I've told you guys that a channel is a combination of two parallel levels going in the same direction for it to draw a good channel. So that is one. Another one, we can put it right here, this particular level, somewhere right there. Somewhere right there. Should we take it from there? Should we take it from here? I think we should take it from there. That is a good position for us to do a channel. Good position for us to do a channel. And see the market reached here, it came down, boom, came down, tried going up, it couldn't, boom, tried, boom, now the market is following the same corridor. As you can see, this is also another channel on USD CHF. See, the market came up here, went down, came up, went down, came up a little bit, went down, broke, came back, retested. Now it is playing that beautiful channel right there. You can see the market going in a channel, in a pipe. The water is going in a pipe. The price is following that particular channel. So this is a good channel also that you can see on USD CHF. These are actually currencies that I normally trade. These are currencies that I normally trade. Okay, that is my watch list. Also, you can have your own watch list. It's a good thing to have watch lists. You don't have to be all over the market trying to look at which pair is doing what, which pair is doing what, which pair is doing what. Once you have your watch list, just go to your particular currencies, see how they are playing out. If they are playing good, then you're about something great. So let's say also here we are having another channel. Let us go first of all to our top down analysis. Have any channel? Do you have any channel, guys? Do we have any channel? You have any channel here? Do we have any channel? Yeah, I believe you have a channel right here. Okay, channel, a good channel, channel right here, a good channel right here, a good channel good channel right here. I believe you have a good channel right there. I believe we have a good channel right there. That's a good channel too. That's a good channel. So that's a great channel too. That's a very great channel too. You can see the market came, started here, went up, retested, went up, going down. Now you're seeing the market still operating that particular channel on our daily. On our 4 hour, and draw another channel on a 4 hour. That's the bigger market or the bigger picture in the market. Even though we are having what you call a parallel market or a sideways market on our daily. It's a sideways? No, it is not actually a sideways. Sorry, this one is the market is trending to the downside. Actually, it's a downtrend. Okay, a downtrending market. You have the bigger market. You can see that it's going down. The same thing is happening right now here. Another channel. We have a channel here. I don't think so. We don't have a good channel here. That one can't spread anything on the itself. Though the market is hitting that particular channel, that there will expect we're expecting this market to go back after this particular channel. Okay. So we can see on odd, what is this odd CAD? Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. GBP JPY. This one is a good currency that I normally trade each and every single day. This is my baby, man. This is my baby. Love trading GBP JPY and CAD JPY. Those are my babies. Just trade them each and every single day. Love trading GBP JPY and CAD JPY. They give me so right here on GBP JPY we are having what you call an uptrend. The market is trending to the upside, and I usually say the trend is your friend. Follow the trend. Do not go against the trend. If you go against the trend, then I don't know what you're doing, man. I don't know who is teaching you. Because for me, I normally tell my students, the trend is your friend. Follow the trend. Okay. Let us see a channel daily. You can see. Actually, spot 2 good points. Draw a line, a level. I don't like using lines, sorry. Draw a level like that one right there. Draw a level from this particular level to that particular level. Then take another parallel, another level, and draw it from this particular area, this particular area. This one will be good. This one will be nice. That's why I wanted to bring that particular portrait to draw a consistent kind of channel. That's a good channel. Market bounced from this lower level here, bounced from here, went up, tried reaching this particular point, it couldn't. The market still used that particular, it came here, tried going down, it couldn't, tried reaching up, it couldn't. Now it is here. We're seeing that the market is playing within that particular channel. Then it's good for us to make some profit out of that particular channel right there. So that is how we draw channels. Okay, channels. That's how we draw channels. Channels are the good forms of what we say of technical analysis, which you can use actually to make good money every single day in these particular markets. So let me take you to a pair that was really showing me good channels. Where was that? Was it UR? Yeah, URUSD. Okay. How now do we make money trading this? How now do we make money by following these channels? Okay, simple. Once you see a channel like this, yeah, and you've drawn your channels at good particular points, yeah, just wait for the market to reach this particular level. Okay, now this is where I go back to my candlestick chart. Now for me to make my decision on how to take this particular trade. Okay, assuming you are here, you are somewhere here. Okay, you want to trade this particular channel. What do? You will wait for the market to push from this particular level to this particular end of a channel. Okay, wait and see what happens at this particular level right here. You saw this green candle, it came, it couldn't close outside of this particular channel. You saw another candle which opened. Wait for this candle to end. Okay, wait for this particular candle to end. If it closes below, take the next candle. Okay. Make your profit the downside. Come again. See what happened right here. The market came, tried breaking outside of that particular channel, it couldn't, closed inside. The next candle, what happened? It opened below, closed inside. Go to the next candle, trade the market up to this particular area right here. Now we are seeing that this is the bulls market, okay? But the bulls couldn't break above. It tried, but they closed below. The next candle opened. It tried breaking, though it couldn't, it closed below. The next candle you are in, make your cash outside. Making your cash each and every single day. Let's say you are in this market currently. You saw this particular candle. It was a bullish candle. Tried going up, it couldn't. Closed below. The next candle opened below. This particular candle you are in, you're making your good money right there, and you're good to go. That was on our daily chart. Now you want to make good decision using, as I said earlier, is that the 4-hour chart is your gold mine chart. Simply you could have come here, put in a trend line from here, this particular area. I said, let me ask to what I said. Normally say if you want to draw good trend lines, okay, trade them using line charts. Line charts. If you want to enter the market, you enter the market using the candlestick chart. So once you saw this market here, and you couldn't, you weren't that kind of an aggressive trader, whereby once you saw this particular candle, you are late to enter the market. You waited and you waited and you waited and you waited because you love a lot of patience. You waited and you waited and you waited. The market went down. You are like, is it the correct time now for me to sell this market? Once you enter the market now decided to reverse on you. You are like panicking. Oh my God, I'm about to lose my money. What is happening? Those are rookie kind of traders. Okay. But for me, if I knew, if I wasn't able to enter this particular level, okay, I could have waited for the market. Once I drew this particular trend line lines here, the inner trend, this particular linear channel, would have waited for the market to see what will happen actually at this particular area. Once I saw this candle crossing below, but it couldn't break my trend line, the other one opened up. I would have waited and waited, waited. Once I saw this particular candle crossing below, okay, but it couldn't. Closing below, could have waited for the next candle, of which I couldn't have entered yet. Waiting to see how the next candle will do. It opened and it closed. The next candle I was in, making my money. Riding this particular boy. Okay, I like calling them boys, man. I like calling them boys. My stop loss is right here. My take profit is right here. That is my TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. What about that? So let's say you enter this market on a short position. Okay, enter this market on a short position. Call it short position. Enter this market right here. Boom. Look at stop loss right there. Boom. Your TP1 was here. Okay, TP1 was here, which is about to be smashed. You see that you are in profit. The TP1 is about to be smashed. The TP2 will be right here. Okay, should be smashed soon. The TP4 is right there. So if you're in this market, what are you doing here? You're selling this market because it crossed below this particular trend line, and you are in combining trend lines with channels. So in a channel, you simply know that once the market hits this particular area, it will go to the downside. And before you enter the market, you pull out a trend line and you see if it breaks below that particular trend line, you're trading the market to the downside. Now you're in profit, you're smiling, your smiles are all over. 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 As on EURUSD, of which I haven't taken yet. As I showed you, price is moving well and you're making a profit right there. This is actually in my software. Now I'm into GJ. GJ is giving me some profits. Arriving your order right now. We're seeing some things happening here, which will eventually come to our profits. Once you're into profits, it's good for us to close our trades. That's what I'm seeing right there. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, and see you on my next episode, where I will now be introducing what we call chart patterns. Chart patterns. Okay. How do you find head and shoulder pattern? How do you find double top? How do you find triple top, triple bottom, inverse head and shoulder, peanut butter, peanut, what we call hanging man. Is it hanging man? No, it's not hanging man actually. We call them flag, poles. How do we find these particular levels? How do we find continuation pattern? How do we find reversal pattern in this particular market? I will show you that. Actually, make sure you tune in to the next episode where I'll be sharing all that in a separate video. And see you guys on the next episode. What I'm here to say is that be safe, guys. Know how to manage your money. Do not let anyone trade your money. There are a lot of scammers out here. Right now we're on profit, man. It's a good profit. Let me see how many pips are this. We're in how many pips? We're actually in 62 pips. That's a good trade, man. Good trade. 62 pips. and my pip target every day is 20 pips, which I could have gotten out of the market, gotten with my profit, and I'm out. The market is actually shooting there. What I was saying is that do not let anyone trade your money. Learn this skill by yourself. Make your own money. Be proud of yourself at least at once for knowing a skill, man. Okay? Do not just rely on people. Even the pros lose money in this market, man. Even the pros themselves lose money in this market. As you can see, as I was showing you, I'm into negative somehow. Okay? But my patient will determine if I make money out of this market. Why? Even though I'm into negatives, can you see my positives? Can you see I'm now in, let's say, positive 10 pips, positive 14 pips, positive 17. If it reaches my target of positive 20, I'm out. I make my cash, and that's it, man. 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 When I'm not trading, okay, when I'm not trading, actually, like, I'm coming and doing what you call demo trading, okay. When I'm not in my live trade, of which I already made my money, when I'm not trading, what I do is come to my demo trading, see what I could have done if I could have made some money, because trading is not actually trading every single time. You don't have to be in this market every single time. Every single time is not a good time for you to trade. Trade once you feel like you want to trade. Make your own cash out of that particular market and be out. As you can see, this is not my live trading account. This is actually my demo trading account. Why am I in demo and I'm also seeing some profit in my demo? Because in my live account, I already traded and made my own profit out of it. Now I'm just enjoying myself in my demo account, knowing that this strategy is working. Boom, and I'm good, man. Love what I'm doing, love what I do each and every single day. So, what do I encourage you guys to do? Go learn this skill by yourself. Join this channel, okay? It will be a daily channel whereby I'll be uploading videos each and every single day and making you guys profitable with me. So, you don't have actually to have to send people money. Ni wasee wengi sana wako hapa Kenya wenye na pia majuu wenye wanakudanganya like I can make you this kind of money every single day. And make you this kind of money every single day. If you invest 5K with me, I'll be able to make you 2K each and every single day. That is a lie, man. There is no one who can make that kind of money. If you make that, maybe you are lucky, but you cannot make that kind of money using a very small account. For you to make at least 2,000 bob a day or 3 or 5K a day, you need at least to have a good account. Okay? I'm not discouraging those ones with small account, but for you to make good money each and every single day, you at least have to have an account of not less than 100,000, 50,000 Kenya shillings. Okay, but if you start with 10K, my friend, you will grow slowly. Start with 20K, you grow a little bit slower. No, not slower. You go slowly, yes, but at a higher rate, at least making some 200 or 500 or 1,000 bob a day. But if you start, let's say, with 50,000, or if you start with 100,000, you'll be able even to make 1,000 bob a day, 2,000 bob a day, 5K a day, and you'll be living out of your forex trading profits. Okay? Here we don't look at profit, we look at how well are we able to compound our accounts and get points out of this particular market. So, guys, join me on my next episode whereby I'll be sharing with you on how to find patterns in the market, which are reversal patterns and continuation patterns for you to be profitable in this market. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, guys. See you.